Are you looking for the best flush mount ceiling fan on Amazon? We've got this one right here. I figured I'd show this thing off to you guys today. We got this thing installed. We had an old ceiling fan from the 80s right here, and it was time to update it. So this is the one that we have here. It's, as you can see, it's got 4 light bulbs all the way around. And then in the center part, you have your fan that's gonna spin right there. Very easy to get installed. Once you get the mounting plate mounted up onto there, you bring your wires down through. You're gonna connect your wires, and then you put the main unit of the fan connecting. You can see there's 4 little screws right there around the sides. You just simply slide it into those little slots, and then you twist it to the side, get it down, and then tighten up your screws, and it holds up there nicely. So super easy to get installed. We really like the look of this one too. Kind of has like a little bit of a wood design to it around the edge right here, but then all of this is like a matte black style right there. So it looks really, really nice up here in our dining room area. And the reason why we still wanted a fan in the dining room area is because whenever you mop the floor, your floors are gonna be wet, and we want something that's gonna help to circulate the air in here. And so we opted for this one right here because it kind of minimizes the amount of how much you see the fan. The fan's kind of hidden up in the lights right there. So I really like that. So let me go ahead and turn it off for you guys so y'all can see what it looks like off. This is it right here. It's got a really cool, like, I call it a cage, but it's the design all the way around. I like how these like wires kind of go in and out right there just to give it a little bit of difference right there. And then whenever you go to turn it on, let me flip my switch. And then that's gonna kick them on right there. This one does come with a remote control as well. So if you do like to use that, you can do that. There's a power off button right there that you can click, and that should power off your lights and the fan. I can turn it back on using the lights right here. It says on off on the bottom. So we're just gonna simply hit that, and that's gonna turn it on. If you wanna turn on your fan, you just simply press your button right here. There's a little, I meant to say that there's a little remote sensor up in the top up there. So you definitely need to be aware of that as you're like screwing everything up there. It's kind of like a wire with a little tip on it, and that's what gets it to work. So, I wanted to mention before we go on to the fan is the lights on here. If you have dimmable lights, they can dim down, which is super cool. So you can easily dim those up and dim those down. And then we have our fan right here. We're just gonna simply press that to turn it on just like that. As you can see, it gets a nice good spin up right there. This is the breeze feature, so it'll kind of spin up and slow down, spin up and slow down. And I can already feel that air pushing down on me right there, which is awesome. Then of course you have your 6 different settings right here that you can choose from, or you can just simply hit the off button. Look, there's that breeze thing right there. Makes for a nice white noise as well. And then we can simply just turn it off. And if you want to turn off the entire unit, you can just simply press the power button right there, and it's going to completely turn off. It does have a couple of other like timing options and whatnot on here as well if you want to utilize some of that. It does make sounds if you want to turn on or off the sounds, like a beeping sound to let you know that it received the message or whatever to be able to do whatever you want it to do. You can turn that off with this button right here. But all in all, excellent fan, nice and flush mount, so it looks good up on your ceiling, kind of has a modern look to it as well. Y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all one of these if this is something that you're looking for, because it works really well with the simple remote right here. By the way, the remote is just simply 2 AAA batteries in there that come with it. So y'all definitely go and grab y'all one of these if this is something that you're looking for. Y'all let me know if this was helpful. If it was, definitely appreciate you guys. That helpful for me right there. Y'all go and add this to your cart. And thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I could show this thing off to y'all. And dad out.